Welcome to Power of Android. How to customize your Android device using Nova Launcher. Just go to Play Store and search for Nova Launcher. Install it. Once you install Nova Launcher, again just go back to Play Store and search for Circon icon pack. Select it and install it. Once installation is completed, go to App Drawer. Search for Nova Launcher. Open it. Now Nova Launcher will automatically launch. Now you see the app drive not look damaged right. So long press in home screen, select settings. Select night mode. In night mode, turn on it. Let's go to home screen and select desktop grid. So you can able to change how many apps want to be in row, how many apps want to be in column. After that, just select icon layout. Just turn off the label. So it will remove the name of the app. Search bar place, select none. Search provider. Select it and select Nova search. Wallpaper scrolling, turn off it. I can go back to Nova settings, select app drawers, select icon layout. Ensure match desktop size and then turn off the label. Now select background color, just turn it to black. After that, background transparency, just rack it to 90%. Just turn off the frequently used app in your app drawer. Top bar, none. Swipe indicator, turn it on. Back to Nova settings, select folders. Select window style, that select background color, turn it to black. Transparency set to 70% or 16%. Scroll down, drag the corner radius to 48 dp. Again go back to Nova settings, select look and feel. In that icon theme, just ensure your icon in round shape by default. Reshape the legacy icon, turn it on. Select normalize the icon size. In icon theme, select circons, which has been installed in Play Store. Again go back. Again go back to app drawer. Now you can able to see the now Nova Launcher has been beautifully customized. Now you need to set Nova Launcher as a default launcher. Just go to phone settings, search for default application, select it. In home, select Nova Launcher. So your user interface has been beautifully customized. In some case, if you don't like default app icon, then you can able to change it. For example, this message icon, I need to change it. Long press it, edit, select edit app, and then select circon. Under the right side corner, select that. Now circon will be open. Allow it. So search message. So it will show all the icon which is relevant to message. So this green color icon is very nice. So I'm just going to select it. Select it and done. Now you can see in app drawer the particular message app icon has been changed. Like that, I'm just going to change it for some other app. For example, I don't like this my files icon. So long press the my files, edit, tap the edit app icon. Hello. Search for files. Only few icons are there. I'm just going to select third row, last icon. Select it. That's all. Thanks for watching Power of Android.